Hi everyone, my name is Jess and today I'm going to unbox with you something. I feel like it's almost been like 8 months I have been asking to unbox one of these. It is the Dell Dock with the ability to dock your phone. I haven't seen it, I haven't done much research on it because I want a live reaction with you, but I am very excited. All right, let's go ahead and get started. All right, everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button below. It would help me out a lot, and you'll be reminded that every single Monday I do post new content. Okay, let's dive right into it. You know how excited I am. I'm here. I couldn't even find a knife to open the box, and I found a random screw on my desk. So hopefully this can help me. Just dive right into it. Let's unbox this dock. Now, I am in between figuring out if I'm going to be using a laptop or a desktop on my desk. So I don't even know if I'm going to use this, but I thought let's unbox it together with you. Let's just see how this looks. I haven't, okay, and I realized that my screw does not work. So let's try something else. Sorry all, I'm gonna use a pen. There we go. Here we go. So again, it's now the traditional cardboard box from Dell. I do like it. I know it's not as pretty as some of the other packages from your technology that you might open, but I really think it's great for the environment, and I love the initiative from Dell. More companies need to do this. Ooh. Okay, I will put this aside for a second. Okay. We have some instructions, environmental guide. Here is the dual dock charging dock. Okay. And we have your AC adapter. I can't tell you how many AC adapters I have from Dell. It's becoming an issue. All right. Ta-da! Oh, I think I love it already. Still in the plastic. All right, I'll leave that part in the plastic. Wow. Now this is a dock. Like this, I have so many phone chargers for my iPhone that I place on top here, and I will say this is heavy duty. It feels so good on the hand. Wow, I really like it. If I look here at the back, we have an HDMI, we have a display port, 2 USBs, Ethernet, and power. It might be, oh, we have 2 other USBs here. Wow, 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 wow. I just love the feeling of this dock. Oh, and we have a USB-C here. Oh, it looks so good on my desk. I feel like if you see what I have right now, I have another dock for my Apple Watch, my AirPods, and my phone all in one. But this is really looking great on the desk.
Now, Dell really made this dock. I believe they are the first one that made a dock that is able to charge your laptop as well as some of your wireless charging devices. So this is Qi enabled. You can use your smartphone as long as that has the capability, earbuds, maybe even a watch. I don't think it would stick well on this. And here's the back of the dock just so that you can see it in person. But again, I really like how heavy the dock is. It looks really great on the desk. You can also connect up to 2 4K monitors at once utilizing the DisplayPort and HDMI. I will put a Dell docking compatibility guide hyperlinked below just so that you can see that. But again, if you're going to pick a laptop dock, this one is a fantastic option, especially if you have a device that will work and charge on it. This is what my iPhone 8 looks like on the dock. And there's my quick, simple review of the Dell Dock.